All right, we are on the record in State of Ohio versus Faith L. Morris, 2026 CR 0307. Okay, Ms. Morris is present in the courtroom. Ms. Morris is here with her counsel. Mr. Goebel, are you appointed this case?
I'm here for attorney Vince Pachetti.
Okay, Mr. Goebel's here on behalf of Mr. Pachetti. We're here for an arraignment on a supplemental indictment. In this case, it's counts 5 through 14. Mr. Goebel, on behalf of your client.
Your Honor, may it please the court. Ms. Morris has received a copy of the supplemental indictment more than 24 hours in advance of our hearing today. To waive any further defects in time given enough to service on the indictment. To waive explanation of penalties and to go back to the charges, Your Honor. I believe there are already dates set. The bond's already been set. We're not going to address bond at this time.
Okay. Ms. Morris, I'm going to accept your plea of not guilty to the supplemental counts 5 through 14. In this case, those supplemental counts are as follows. There's a supplemental count of sexual battery, a felony of the 4th degree, 8 counts of illegal use of a minor or impaired person in nudity-oriented material or performance. Those are felonies of the 2nd degree. And the final count is one of gross sexual imposition, a felony of the 3rd degree. So accept your pleas of not guilty. This case remains set for jury trial on July 27th, 2026 at 1 p.m. Our final pretrial is July 23rd, 2026 at 9 a.m. On behalf of the state of Ohio, do you want to address bond, or do you want anybody else to have an opportunity to speak in the courtroom? Mr. Salisbury.
So, thank you, Your Honor. No one wants to speak. The victim's parents are all here. I will say that for the record. They do not wish to address the court. However, we would ask for a no-contact order for them, on behalf of them. So, Ms. Morris, we would ask that as part of the bond, have no contact with any of the victims or their families.
Thank you. Mr. Salisbury, so in looking at the file, it looks like this came from the municipal court. The state of Ohio originally recommended a $100,000 cash or surety bond. The municipal court set it at $100,000, 10%. And that bond was continued on the initial indictment, is that right? And I think now we have some additional counts, is that right?
Correct, but I thought it got changed at her original arraignment. I was not present, but I believe that Judge Hudson returned it back to $100,000 cash, and if I'm wrong, then I would ask that.
I think you're right. I think you're correct. So the courts looked at, that looks correct. Thank you, Mr. Salisbury. So appropriately, I think Judge Hudson at the May 26th arraignment addressed the bond based upon there being different charges than were pending at the municipal court. I think it's important that the court at least consider whether or not to address the bond again now that there's these additional charges, including one of sexual battery and one of gross sexual imposition. Do you have anything else on the issue of bond on behalf of your client, Mr. Goebel? Anything else?
Just, Your Honor, bond is set as it is. She's 19 years old, I have no prior criminal record, Your Honor, but we understand serious nature of charges, and that's why the bond is set.
Okay.
So we have nothing else to add.
So I want to set a bond that's commensurate with the charges. We have 8 additional counts of these felonies 2nd degree, but notably there's 2 sex offenses with named victims here. I want to set a bond that protects the public, and specifically here in this case, we have members of the public that are minors, the most vulnerable members of the public. So I think it's appropriate to set the bond, in this case, at $200,000 cash or surety. Similar conditions also that Judge Hudson previously had: no contact with anyone under the age 18, no contact with the victims or their family members. And if the defendant is to make bond and be released, there'll be no internet from any device. Also, if she's able to make bond, there'll be home arrest with no movements permitted. Anything else from the defendant in this case, Mr. Goebel?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Salisbury, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you.